So as you can see right now, I'm in my Roblox settings page, and here we can see my current account location is Bangladesh. Now we can see here is no option to change or edit my current account location. Now I'm gonna be showing you the exact way how you can easily change or update your Roblox account location. To do that, you need to go to your browser and type here Roblox support and open this Roblox support link, and you directly jump into this contact us form. In here you need to type your Roblox account username, then type here your Roblox account first name, enter here your email address. So must enter the email address which email address is associated with your Roblox account, and retype the email address here to confirm. And what device are you having the trouble on? Here select PC, type of help category, select how to, and in the sub category type select how to change my location. So here, as you can see, I enter a short description. I would like to request a change to the location region associated with my Roblox account because it is correctly incorrect. Please help me update my account location to the correct region. I can provide any additional information or verification if required. Now just go ahead and click on continue, and now just click on start puzzle, and you need to complete this puzzle. And after submitting this request form, you need to wait up to 24 hours to get any response via the email address you added in this form. So this is the only way you will be able to change or update your Roblox current country or location. Thanks for watching.